In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google Sites' contact form feature, guiding you step by step through the entire process. By the end of this video, you'll easily incorporate a contact form into your Google site, making it simple for visitors to get in touch with you or your organization. To begin, you'll want to navigate to Google Sites. Google Sites is a versatile platform that allows you to create and personalize websites effortlessly, making it a great option for both personal and professional projects. Once you're on the Google Sites homepage, locate the section labeled Forms. The Forms section is your gateway to integrating interactive elements like surveys, quizzes, and most importantly, contact forms into your website. After clicking on the Forms section, you'll be directed to a new page where you can select from a variety of available forms. Take a moment to browse your options if you've already created forms in Google Forms. Otherwise, you can quickly make a new one on the spot. When selecting a form, it's crucial to ensure that the form you choose is published. Publishing the form makes it accessible to your site visitors. A published form signifies that you are ready to collect responses and engage directly with your audience. Once your form is published and ready, proceed to click the Insert option. You'll find this button prominently displayed, and it acts as the final step in adding your contact form to your Google site. Clicking Insert integrates the form directly into your website, allowing visitors to easily fill out and submit their information. You might want to test this functionality by visiting your site as a viewer to see exactly how the form appears and operates. Customizing your form appearance can improve the user experience, so consider topping it off with some thoughtful design elements. You can adjust font styles, colors, and form layout to align with your site's theme. Furthermore, it's a good idea to include instructions or a brief message above the form to guide your visitors. A friendly suggestion could be, please fill this form to contact us and we'll respond promptly. Remember, the contact form is an essential tool for establishing communication with your site visitors. It simplifies the process of gathering feedback, answering inquiries, or responding to any of their concerns in an organized way. Always check your notifications for new form submissions and respond to them promptly to maintain a good rapport with your audience. So, there you have it. A straightforward process to enrich your Google site with a dynamic contact form, all while keeping it professional and user-friendly. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to explore more Google Sites features to enhance your website building journey.